Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the particular version of application you are running. All your application has a particular version, except if only that application cannot be upgraded by the creator. So here is the simple way of how you can check the version of all the application you are running on your Windows system. You just go to control panel, right? Change this to category, make sure this is in category, and you click on program and you click on program and features. So here is all the softwares I have on my system with the publisher name, and this is just the manufacturer name, right? The install date, the date at which I installed each and every one of them, and the size, the particular size they are consuming on the system, and here is the version of those applications. This is the main thing we want to know. This particular version is what's brought us there. So that's how you can check the version of any application you are running on your system without having issue with that. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever we need any tech video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.